Yeah, we're going to take a look at Thanks.io's address collection landing page feature. We've recently added a few new features to this, including the ability to upload and show a background image URL. But even bigger is the ability to ask for the phone number and the email on the actual landing page. So these pages always lead with the address, but now you have the ability to get more info, and you can actually pass this data over to another landing page or another system if you want to, if you're a little more advanced here. So let's build out a page. I'm going to do this for Lunex Power in Tampa, and we'll just call this Lunex Power Energy Savings. And then our header will be see how much you can save on your monthly electric bill when you install solar power. We'll just say install solar. And then enter your address, and we'll reply back about an analysis. Now we're going to get to the fun part here. So we have the background image URL. I'm going to go ahead and upload that. So on my desktop, I have a little image here, Linux background, like so. And in my redirect URL, that'll be a thank you page. I'm just going to put a Calendly link in here. I don't have it handy, but I'll put the Calendly link in there for the person. But you would set that to be whatever you want. And Calendly is an example of kind of a service where I could pass the info over if I was using an advanced Calendly account, and then have it kind of automatically grab the email into Calendly. But that's that. I've kind of filled everything out here. Yeah, let's go for the email and let's go for the phone. We don't need the birthday right here. If you wanted to build a list of family members' birthdays or something, it might be interesting. You can kind of like share around Facebook, a landing page and collect people's birthdays, and then Thanks.io can send those out automatically, kind of a side thing. We've also seen people use the birthday feature internally, so they'll have like their assistant enter all their clients' birthdays into this landing page, and it'll get added to a thanks list and automatically send birthday cards every year. But that's kind of on the side from what we're doing today. I really want to show you the phone number and the email and how these are built. So I'm going to go ahead and hit publish right here, and then we're going to grab my public link like so. So I'll copy this. Let's take a look at what it looks like here in a new window. See how much money you can save on your monthly electric bill when you install solar. Enter your address and we'll reply back with an analysis. So you can enter in your address right here. It'll automatically select, it'll look at Google and kind of make the autocomplete easy for people. Add your address, and then they can put their name and then an email, phone and email if they want, right? So, right, and then we'll just do example and hit submit, and then it'll take them over to the thank you page. In this case, we had selected Calendly, but I think you get the point. You have the ability with Thanks.io to build out these landing pages, and what will happen is every time somebody submits, I'm going to refresh here back in my mailing list. You see that the test lead I just entered got added right here, and then any campaign rules you have attached to that mailing list from the campaign will be triggered. So if I have a campaign assigned to this mailing list, I can automatically trigger cards or a series of cards, letters, note cards. And also I have the ability to zap this information out into my CRM. So I collected an email and I collected a phone. I could build a Zap in Zapier or using the API and push that data over to my CRM and take additional follow-up steps there. So definitely check out the Thanks.io mailing address collection landing page builder. We've had this for a while, but the recent addition of emails and phone numbers was something that a lot of people were asking for, and we think you might enjoy it too if you want to start building your address and your mailing lists alongside that additional data. Go to www.thanks.io to give this a try today.